Imagine publishing a Kindle book and audiobook on Amazon in under 60 seconds, without writing a single word or recording your voice. That's exactly what AzonAgent claims to do, a fully autonomous AI publishing agent that creates and publishes books for you. Let's see how it works. AzonAgent is an AI-powered Amazon publishing tool that automates the entire workflow, from niche research to writing, cover design, audiobook narration, and publishing. It's designed for beginners, marketers, and anyone who wants to build passive income through Amazon Kindle and Audible without technical skills. Instead of using multiple tools, AzonAgent combines everything into one dashboard. First, the AI niche research engine finds profitable book ideas automatically. Second, the one-click book generator creates a full manuscript, cover design, and formatting in minutes. Third, AI voice narration turns books into audiobooks in over 80 languages. And finally, instant KDP and Audible publishing, allowing you to publish books across multiple formats with one click. The biggest benefit here is speed. You can build a full publishing catalog quickly and scale royalties over time. Pros include automation, beginner-friendly workflow, unlimited publishing, one-time pricing, commercial license. Cons: launch pricing is temporary and may increase later. When you grab AzonAgent through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300+ premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses are designed to help you scale faster and maximize publishing profits. If you're ready to start your Amazon publishing business with AI automation, click the link in the description to get AzonAgent at the lowest launch price. You'll also receive the full bonus bundle instantly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.